Hi guys, welcome to the video. This presentation will be about the guessing game, which we programmed with Java programming language. Who we are? I'm Ayşegül. We made this project with Canan and Esra. I'll be talking about general introduction, system demonstration, then the software system source code. General concept of the guessing game. A guessing game can be implemented as a simple program where the computer generates a random number or letter based on the selected game type, and the user tries to guess the number or letter by providing input to the keyboard, like command line. The game can tell you that your guess was too low or too high than the targeted number until the user correctly guesses the number or letter. The aim of the game is to guess the correct answer in as few tries as possible. Why did we use Java as programming language? Java is a widely used programming language that has been in existence for over 2 decades. It's popularly used for building variety of software applications, including games. Java could be a good choice for guessing games because it's platform independent, it's object oriented, it has very rich class libraries, and it's very easy to learn. That's why Java was a good choice for building this game. Now, how to play the guessing game? First, you will need to run the Java program. Then you will read the given instructions. The program will give you instructions about how to play the game, by the way. Then you will start the game and enter your guesses. Then you will continue until you find the correct guess. Then it's the end of the game. You will lose or you will win. Now we will go into system demonstration. When you start the game, you will see a main menu. There are 5 different options in the main menu. In this section, you'll be asked to enter the number of the transaction like you want to perform. If you enter data other than the options, by the way, the program will give an error. If you enter number 1, you will see a start menu like this, where you can choose the difficulty level of your game. Now we have 3 difficulty levels in this game: easy, medium, and hard. In easy level, when you choose the number 1, you will see instructions on how to play the easy level game. Then the game will start. In this level, you will have 5 chances, and your guesses will be from 1 to 15. When you play the game on this level, you will receive feedback about like the distance of your guess from the number you need to find. The game continues until you win the game or until all your trial rights are available. If you win, you will get a feedback showing how many tries you have won. Or if you lose the game while playing, you will receive a feedback at the end of the game. End of the game, the start menu comes back to screen. The desired action can be selected again. And we also have medium level. In this level, if you select number 2 from the start menu, you'll be presented with instructions on how to play the medium level game. Then the game will start. You will have 4 chances here, and you will have right 1 to 20. You will have numbers 1 to 20. When you play the game on medium level, you won't receive feedbacks. That's the difference here. The game continues until you win the game or your rights are exhausted. If you win, you will receive a feedback showing how many tries you have won. Or if you lose the game while playing on the medium level, you will receive a feedback at the end of the game about the number you need to find. Like this: sorry, you lost the game, the number was 12. We also have hard level here. Uh, in the hard level, when you choose the number 3, you will see instructions on how to play the hard level game. You will have 3 chances here. On this level, you won't get feedbacks, and the other things are same. You will get feedbacks at the end of the game, or you won or you lost. And returning to main menu, when the number guessing game on each level is finished, the start menu reappears. Here, if you select number 4 from the start menu, you will return to the main menu. We have the second game, also guess the alphabet game. If you enter the number 2 in the main menu, you will see a start menu where you can choose a difficulty level you want to play the game you've chosen. We also have 3 levels here, easy, medium, and hard. When you choose the number 1 from the start menu, you will see the instructions on how to play this game on easy level, then the game will start. You will have 5 chances again. On easy level, you will have feedbacks about the distance of your guess from the letter you need to find. Except that if you win, you will receive feedbacks showing how many tries you have won, or if you lose, you will receive a feedback at the end of the game about the letter you need to find. Then start menu comes back to the screen. In medium level, it's also same, just you won't get feedbacks and you will have 4 chances here. Except that everything is same, you will get feedbacks at the end of the games. Also in hard level, when you choose the number 3 from the start menu, you will see instructions on how to play this game on hard level. When you play this game, you will have 3 chances. Then when you play this game on hard level, you won't receive feedbacks again about the distance, but at the end of game you will get feedback like you won or you lost. Then start menu comes back to the screen again. Returning to main menu, when the alphabet guessing game on each level is finished, the start menu reappears. The screenshot here is an example of this situation. If you select number 4 from start menu, you will return to the main menu. Then we have high score section. Here, if you select the number 3 from the main menu, the high score section will appear on your screen. Here you can see the highest score you achieved according to the type of game you play on screen. Also, we have credit section. If you choose number 4 from the main menu, the name, surname, student numbers, and departments of the students who wrote this code for this game will appear on the screen. Immediately after this, the main menu will automatically appear on the screen. Then we have exit section. Here, if you select number 5 from the main menu, the program will stop. After this step, you can't enter any data into the system. If you do, the program will give an error. To play the game again, you need to restart the program. Now, we will look into system source codes. Here, we have imported JavaUtil random and JavaUtil scanner libraries because we need to get input from the keyboard. Also, random scanner, random library for selecting a random number. Now here we used instructions method because we didn't want to write same thing for 6 times, so we use instruction method here. Here we used while loop, switch, and case statements. We got we got input like choice, and we opened the other sections according to that choice. Here we use switch case again and while loop, and we got input, and according to that input we open the next part. Here we use while loop, switch case, and if and else statements. Here we according to the input that we got, we gave feedback like your guess was too low or too high, like this. Here we again use switch case and while loop, and we got input about difficulty level. Then according to that choice we have open the next page. Here we have switch case, if else statement, and while loop. Here we gave feedback about you win the game or you lost the game. Returning back to main menu, here while we wanted to break the while loop, so in case 4 we made it false, so we returned to the main menu. In high score section, here 6 is our default score, so if 6 appears, so you haven't played yet. High score aim here is the winning the game with like as few trials as possible. So best score will be printed here with if else loop, if else statement. In credit section we have printed our names, surnames, and student IDs, and the course name. In exit station, in the very main while loop, we had switch case, and we broke that loop. Then we have quit from the program. These are our references. Thanks for listening. Have a